What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sassy Gon' Eat. Sassy here, back from a hiatus. I had to take a mental health break. You guys gotta always remember that to take care of your mental health. So let's get into this video. I just made some waffle fries, or aka waffle chips. As you can see, I chopped up my potatoes using my potato chip cutter, and I soaked them in some water so they didn't turn brown. And now I am wiping them excess water off. What you want to do is put your oil on medium heat to fry. You want to fry them one time, take them out, pat them dry, let them sit, and then refry them again. You can fry them up to 3 times depending on what texture you want to come out. If you want a fried texture or you want a chip texture. So that's basically what I did. And once it's done, you want to strain them, put them on some paper towels, strain them, season them with salt and black pepper, whichever you would like. And that's pretty much it. So that is all for this video. It's nice, quick, and simple. Please enjoy it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Sassy is out. Look out for more videos all this week. I'll talk to you later.